The Invention of Shoes, written by Ravindra Tagore. Invention means discovery or find out the new things. In this story, we learn about a king and his kingdom, how it solve the problem of dirty dust. And the problem is when the king Hobu step on the ground, his royal feet dirty from dust. So we start our new story in short. This is the first chapter from your book of class 5th. It is written by Ravindra Nath Tagore. He was novelist man. So we start our story in a short video, and after this video we will complete our question answer. Okay guys.
Once upon a time, King Hobu summoned his minister and said, Gobu, why should dust dirty my royal feet whenever I step on the ground? You must put an end to this at once, or else face my royal wrath. Gobu wondered and worried. He pondered and perspired. Scientists and learned men, scholars and mechanics, after thinking long and deep, said, If you do away with the soil, how will you grow crops? So they thought some more. And then they made a purchase of 17,50,000 brooms. The dusting of the kingdom commenced. The dust covered the king's face and chest. People coughed and choked, and dust clouds covered the sun. Then 21 lakh water carriers set out with bags of water. They ran all over, pouring water wherever they saw a speck of dust. Ponds and lakes were soon overflowing with mud. Water creatures perished while land creatures tried swimming. People sneezed and sniffed and suffered. The great men racked their great brains again. Someone said, Keep the king indoors. If he does not step on dust, no dust shall touch his royal feet. Then, taking matters into his own hands, the king announced, Call the tanners and wrap the whole land in leather, a mighty blanket for the dusty earth. Everyone bowed to the king. What a brilliant idea, Your Royal Highness, they said. The chief tanner of the kingdom, an old man, presented himself at the royal court. He bowed, smiled a little, and said, If Your Royal Highness permits, I have a suggestion. Cover your royal feet, then you shall not have to cover the whole earth. But the king didn't believe the solution to be so simple, and called him a fool. Before the king could decide whether to throw him into jail or not, the tanner, who was sitting down at the king's feet, was busy measuring, cutting, and stitching a neat pair of shoes. He presented them to His Royal Highness. The shoes fit King Hobu perfectly. His royal feet felt warm and snug, and most importantly, clean. The minister said, I had the same idea myself. Somehow the fellow must have got hold of my idea. Thus, the shoes saved the royal feet, Gobu, and the earth.